Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Emma and I run the food blog lightscamera-bake, and today we will be making something ultra delicious, super chocolatey, and if you love Kinder Buenos, this is for you. So this is a Kinder Bueno chocolate cookie bar. Now I have a Kinder Bueno cookie bar recipe on my blog and it is my top recipe at the moment. It has been for months. You guys are loving it, so I thought I'd do a chocolate version for you, just in case you really want to up that chocolate. And yeah, it's delicious, this is great, and I'm excited to make it because I'm excited to eat it myself. So let's get started. First, you're going to need 170 grams of butter. I partially melt mine so that it's semi-melted, but there's still a few chunks in, so you can still mix those through. And then we're going to add sugar and brown sugar to a bowl, and then we're going to take that partially melted butter and add it to the sugars and mix that together. Now we want it to be nice and pale and thick before adding in 2 eggs and a teaspoon of vanilla extract and making sure we beat that in really well. To that mixture we add the flour, baking powder and cocoa powder, and we want to mix that through gently until you get a nice thick consistency. Here is the fun part. We're going to take chocolate chips, chopped Kinder chocolate, so like those Kinder bars, you could even grab some Kinder eggs if you want and break them up into it. And then we're also going to add some, of course, chopped Kinder Buenos. Now here you could add white chocolate Kinder Buenos, dark chocolate Kinder Buenos, go crazy. Just, you need to have chopped Kinder Buenos, and we're going to add all of that to that gorgeous chocolate cookie dough batter basically, and mix that through. Then you're going to take a 20 centimeter square tin that's lined with baking paper, or if you prefer to just grease your baking tins, then just grease them. I prefer baking paper because I find it easier to lift out. Then you're just going to pour the chocolate cookie dough into the baking pan, smooth that into an even layer. Then we're going to put that into the oven at 180 degrees for about 30 minutes. The middle will be nice and soft and squidgy, the outside's nice and chewy. So now that we have our baked chocolate Kinder Bueno cookie bars, we're going to top that with more Kinder Bueno and then melted Kinder chocolate. Just drizzle that over just to add a little bit of oomph to these bars. And now you can serve them. Serve them warm, straight from the oven. I recommend that. Or cold.